Welcome to Keeper, one place to manage all the work for your bookkeeping business. By combining client questions, file reviews, reporting, and task management, Keeper provides everything you need to manage your work efficiently. Let's see how your close could look in Keeper. First, we have some non-closing tasks to take care of. This is the regular work that we need to do to keep our clients' businesses running. Keeper supports the recurring logic bookkeepers need, like biweekly for payroll or annually for filing 1099s. Next, we have our closing tasks. This is all the work we do every month to get everything ready to close the books and deliver financials. And once we've reconciled our accounts, it's time to review the client's file. This starts with a transaction review. Here we can find lots of reports to catch and correct errors before we deliver the financials. Take the expense inconsistency report, for example. This report looks at every transaction in the current month and cross-references it against similar historical transactions in your client's file. If it identifies potential inconsistencies, transactions that have been coded to different accounts or vendors in previous months, it will surface those here. This report is a great way to make sure that you're coding transactions consistently so that your client doesn't catch anything embarrassing when they go to look at their QuickBooks file. For example, it looks like Zoom is coded to advertising and marketing. But if we check for more information, it looks like we're usually coding Zoom to productivity software. So let's go ahead and correct that. Keeper is bidirectionally synced with QuickBooks, so any changes you make will automatically get pushed to QuickBooks as well. Keeper has lots of other final QA reports, like duplicate vendors, transactions without payees, transactions coded to parent accounts, and so much more. But sometimes you'll see a transaction that only your client knows how to classify. Keeper also makes this really simple. Just click the Ask Client button, type your question, and the transaction will automatically get added to a list where your client can go and give you feedback. Now let's take a look at what your client sees. When they go to their unique Keeper link, they'll see a list of all the transaction and non-transaction questions you've asked about, and they can provide their input with just a few clicks. Once they answer your questions, you'll get notified so you can take action on your end. Back in Keeper, we can see all our questions and our client's feedback down in the client questions reports. From here, we can easily update these transactions and sync the changes back to QuickBooks. Keeper also supports automated reminders, so if your client has any outstanding questions, Keeper can automatically send them a follow-up email reminder. Once you've gone over the reports, you can also review the financial statements. Here, Keeper will automatically flag accounts that deviate significantly from the historical average. This is another great way to identify coding errors, as well as genuine business changes to alert your clients about. And if you want to drill down further, clicking into an account will show you the vendors sorted in descending order of spend. Continue drilling down, and you can see all those transactions as well, where you can make changes or ask client questions. Finally, once you're finished reviewing your client's files, you can also use Keeper to generate clean, concise management reports for your clients, including an executive summary, all the core financial statements, AP&A or aging reports, and even graphs of KPIs that you track for them in Keeper. Lastly, if you manage a team, Keeper's client list gives you an easy snapshot view of all your team's work, so you can easily drill down on the closes that are lagging behind. If you're interested in learning more about how you can use Keeper to manage your bookkeeping business, please check us out.